Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be reviewing Chi products on my 4C hair. Let's get it. Hey y'all, it's Tayso, and today we're going to be doing another hair review on Chi products. That was the keratin oil. This is the keratin treatment. Okay, we see, and this is the iron guard hair protection for the heat, because we're about to blow dry this bad boy. This is my hair, freshly washed with nothing in it. Now I'm gonna start with the keratin treatment. It's a real thick consistency. We're gonna rub that through, and then we're gonna put that keratin oil too in it. A lot of people use this for silk wraps, but I also use it for my blow dryer when I am about to blow dry the mess out my hair. Now I got this blow dryer, this little ringy blow dryer from Amazon, and look at this little comb they want you to use to straighten your hair. It is the worst, yes. And then this is the concentrator, so I'm gonna start with that. And I like to use a big tooth comb to go ahead and comb that out and add some more hair guard, iron guard, and then we're going to start the blow drying process. So first I'm going to blow dry this whole section, and then I'm going to do the whole thing off camera, and then I'll show you the finished product. So I section it off just to show you guys how I start blow drying my hair with the big tooth comb. That mirror was getting on my nerve. And then we're gonna go in with that little raggedy extra extension piece comb for this blow dryer. I'm gonna go on there and give them a terrible review because this blow dryer components was the worst. I added a little bit more of that serum, a little oil. We're gonna put that on. See, I gotta hold the comb. Then it popped off. I gotta pick it up, put it back on. It's gonna pop off again, and I'm just gonna use the comb to comb out the kinks. And then we're gonna go in with this little raggedy thing and, you know, stretch it out a little bit more so you can see. Look at that shrinkage compared to that extension. Okay, bam. And that is the finished product. Look at that. Yes, serve it, girls. Give them looks, give them body, give them definition. You better work. Quick shout out to my son for being so dang cute. And you see that body? This is what it looks like in pictures. Lovely. Love you, Pump. And shout out for me for serving body. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Okay, I love you. Bye.